Welcome back, Truth Seekers. Following the death of Donna Douglas, I was just looking back over the headlines from this past year, and I saw a lot of curious deaths I could have talked about, but I want to go to this one right here, Mickey Rooney. If you're not familiar with this individual, he's one of the most famous actors in the history of acting, from theater to film to television. He was even making film back in the silent era, Mickey Rooney, and he passed away this year on a very curious date at a very curious age that ties right into the death of Donna Douglas and so many other people I've reported about this year. So let's begin by looking at the name Mickey Rooney. With Pythagorean gematria, it sums to 68 and 77, both very Masonic numbers, numbers we discuss very much. With simple English gematria, his name sums to 156. And we don't talk a lot about the number 156, but that's my fault. I should, because this numbers thing, you guys, it's deep, and a lot of these numbers have very significant meaning and connections. So if you can see this in the red here, let me zoom it in. Zoom it in one more time. Hopefully that red's not hurting your eyes. I apologize if it is. If you write the word 33 with Pythagorean gematria, it sums to 66. If you write 33 with simple English gematria, it sums to 156. When I first started this blog, I talked a lot about the numbers 33 and 26. In English gematria, God sums to 156. What English gematria is simple English gematria, where the God number is 26, multiplied by 6. So 26 times 6 becomes 156. So in this way, we see how both the numbers 26 and 33 are connected to 156. Again, this actor, Mickey Rooney, in simple English gematria is summed to 156. So this is an important number, Truth Seeker. He passed away this past year, 2014, on April 6th. Right away, I said, my goodness, because April 6th is the 96th day of the year. Recall the word Freemason equals 96. The word knowledge equals 96. If you sum the three ranging degrees of Scottish Rite Freemasonry, 31 plus 32 plus 33, it sums to 96. Also, the religion Satanism sums to 96. And a lot of people out there know that Saturn is the representation of Satan. Saturn, in simple English gematria, sums to 93, the most important number in the occult religion Thelema. And Mickey Rooney passed away this year at the age of 93. Let me get you a better shot of this. Here's his picture. Andy Rooney, born Joseph Yule. He died at the age of 93 on the 96th day. What do you think, Truth Seeker? The numerology of this date, if you add it digit per digit, 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 equals 17, like the word kill. If you add 4 plus 6 plus 14, it sums to 24. A number with a numerology of 6. Notice that Andy Rooney came into the business in the year 22, another multiple of 11. Another sign of these occult practices. It's sad, Truth Seeker. All these celebrities being murdered. I mean, Mickey Rooney got to live to 93, and probably when most people read these headlines, it seems like, nothing out of the ordinary. If a 93-year-old passes, the majority of people will assume, yeah, that's a natural death. No reason to suspect anything different. But when you look at the pattern, Truth Seeker, when you look at the names, when you look at the ages, when you look at the days, you see something a lot darker is going on. And that's the case here with Mickey Rooney. Mickey Rooney was also born on a date. 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 0 sums to 26. Again, that God number, which was connected to what his overall stage name summed to. Remember, he wasn't born Mickey Rooney, so this is one of those Hollywoodized names. Anyhow, Truth Seeker, I think you get the message. Just wanted to give you this little update. R.I.P.